Got a CIQ app file for your Garmin device? This contains a Connect IQ app extending your Garmin watch or device functionality. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to install these Garmin Connect IQ app files. We're going to try the quick and easy steps, but be aware, I've kept the most effective CIQ file solution for the tough cases near the end. A CIQ file is an application package for Garmin wearable devices, such as smartwatches and fitness trackers. Users download these files from the Garmin Connect IQ store to install new watch faces, data fields, widgets, or apps, allowing them to customize their device's functionality and appearance for specific activities. The CIQ file is a compressed archive (CIP) format, containing the application's compiled bytecode, resources like fonts and images, in a .rs file, and a manifest XML file. This package structure allows Garmin Express or the Connect IQ mobile app to validate and deploy all necessary components to the device efficiently. The proper file association links CIQ directly to the Garmin Connect IQ solution by Garmin. The file's embedded scripts necessitate a sandboxed environment not offered by Windows. Windows cannot evaluate plugin behavior, so inspection and execution rely on dedicated tools. Begin the search for the right application. Right-click the CIQ file and select Open With. Try Garmin Connect IQ first. If it's absent, select another program. We must find the app that recognizes the format. If the CIQ file still will not open, there is no need to stress. Your system failed to open the CIQ file. We need to bypass the failure by running these 3 crucial diagnostic steps right now. First, installing through Garmin Connect IQ Store. Browse the Garmin Connect IQ Store at apps.garmin.com or through the Garmin Connect mobile app. Find Apps and click Install, which automatically delivers CIQ files to your paired Garmin device through Bluetooth or USB connection. This is the recommended installation method, ensuring compatibility and security verification. Next, using Garmin Express for USB install. Connect your Garmin device to a computer with Garmin Express installed. The software synchronizes Connect IQ apps from your account to the device. For sideloading, copy CIQ files to the Garmin Apps folder on the device storage. Disconnect properly to allow the device to register the new app installations. Finally, developing custom CIQ apps. Use Garmin's free Connect IQ SDK to develop custom CIQ apps. The SDK includes Monkey C language tools, simulator, and documentation. Build apps targeting specific Garmin devices, then test on the simulator before installing on actual hardware. Submit polished apps to the Connect IQ store for distribution to Garmin users. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use FileMagick, which provides the one-click solution you need. Available at filemagick.com. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.